What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm so excited to teach you guys this booming crash divergence strategy that's going to allow you to swing trade, both doing spike catching and scalping. So today we're going to look at the settings for this indicator and some live examples of how you can actually trade while it's using this strategy. If you're new to this channel, we are on a 100-day trading challenge whereby we're looking at the markets each and every single day right here on this channel, taking a look at different trading strategies and revealing them and seeing how they can help you grow in your trading journey. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you click that subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every single day to check the charts and start trading with us. So this is how the strategy that I'm going to teach you looks like. We're going to be trading from our 15-minute time frame, and we're going to try and catch some pretty nice trends. As you can see, how this, some of you can already tell how this strategy works and how you can actually implement it. But as usual, we're going to have a step-by-step process whereby we install this strategy together and see how exactly you can become a profitable trader. If you're new to this channel as well, make sure you check our previous videos and try to understand where we're coming from, especially our latest videos, the ones that I did yesterday and the day before. They're going to help you understand even more about our 100-day trading challenge that we're currently doing. And if you want to be part of that as well, make sure you comment down below that you want to be part of it. You like this video and you subscribe, then you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number so that I can add you to a group where we're doing the 100-day trading challenge. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. What I'll do right now is I'll remove all these indicators and we'll be left with a blank chart. On currently we're on boom 500 and we're going to try and look for opportunities from boom 500, crash 500, and all the other booming crash indices also work while it's using this strategy. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is called the alligator. So I'm going to go to my indicator section, then click on main window. Then we're going to look for the alligator, which is right here. And this alligator should have the following properties that you see on my screen. We've got a jaws period of 14, a teeth period of 8, a lips period of 14 as well, jaws shift of 5, teeth shift of 14, lips shift of 3. Method is smoothed, apply to medium price, and of course we want to allow it to appear on all time frames. And then on your style, our jaws is going to have this blue color, our teeth should have this red color, and then our lips should have the black color. So this will be the final properties for the first indicator. Okay, so if I click done, as you can see, we'll have those lines showing up on our charts. This is going to be very important when you want to take some trades. Okay, so moving on to the next set of indicators that we need, I'm going to click on my indicators. Then this time we want to add the stochastic oscillator. So I'm going to look for the stochastic oscillator. It's usually under oscillators, which is right here. And it's going to have the following properties with a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high. The method is exponential. And then we have two important levels for this stochastic. We've got level 15 and level 85. Please take note of these levels. They're going to be very important, especially on the divergence part, but you really have to know them perfectly. So if I click done, I'll go back to my properties for my stochastic oscillator. What I want to emphasize on is the styling. Make sure that your main and your signal have the same color as your background color. So I have a white background. That's why you see my main is white and my signal is also white, such that if I click on done, I'll have something like what you see on my screen. Basically, you have these two levels, level 15 and level 85, and nothing else inside this stochastic. Okay. Finally, we want to add the last indicator. So I'm going to go back to my indicators, then click where it says indicator window 1 this time, then look for the MACD, which is our last indicator. and it is going to have the properties that you see on my screen right now. We've got a fast EMA of 80, a slow EMA of 20, a MACD SMA of 13, apply to close, and then yes, of course, we wanted to the visualization to be on all time frames, and then on the styling, the main is black and the signal is red. And then if I click done, you can see that we have successfully installed our strategy, and this is the strategy that we want to try and use to milk the market. So this is a divergence strategy, and it means that what you're going to get, or what you're going to be seeing on your main chart, should be, or you need two conditions that are the same but opposite. Okay, what do I mean by that? Before we jump into all that, please make sure you've subscribed, you've liked this video, and you've commented down below if you want to be part of our 100-day trading challenge, whereby we're looking at the market every single day and trying to grow daily for the next 100 days. Okay, so if you want to be part of those traders that are dedicated to improving their journey, improving their trading style, then make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. I'll leave the link to my WhatsApp number in the description box below. It will be in our Telegram channel. It's completely free to join. Just click the link to our Telegram channel and it will take you straight to the Telegram channel, where you can join for free. There are over 7,000 traders in there, and you can be part of that as well. You'll be able to see my trading results daily, my students' results daily, my VIP signals, mentorship program, and our account management program. All will be available in our Telegram channel for free. You can access and inquire about all those services from our Telegram channel. Okay. And if you want to follow our short form content, you can check us out on our TikTok account. We now have a new TikTok account where we are posting trading tips daily in short form content. So I'll leave a link again in the description box below. With that said, let's look at how you use the divergence to trade boom and crash with this strategy. Like I said, you're going to be in your 15-minute time frame, and any zoom level is allowed with this strategy. Okay, so I'm just going to use the zoom level that's going to allow you guys to see clearly. All right. So how do you trade with this strategy? I'll start off by explaining a sell setup that we actually see, or a buy setup that we're actually looking at right now. Okay. Number one, you're going to need, if you want to enter into a buy trade, you're going to need your MACD, this red and black bars, to reach your level 85, like what you can see right now. And then you're going to look at this red line. This red line is going to help you identify the trend. Okay, so if you see it pointing up, it means we're in an uptrend. If you see it pointing down, it means we're in a downtrend. Okay, that is not enough for you to enter. You're also going to look for when our candlesticks cross and break all these three lines, and that's your confirmation for a buy trade. Okay, even if you use price action with this, you'll be able to see that we have reached an area of resistance right here. As you can see, it was being respected all this while, either as a support or as a resistance. Okay, and those are our conditions for buying. Okay, let's take a look at conditions for sale. Can you see how opposite these two are? That's why it's called the divergence strategy. Okay, conditions for a sale are very simple. Number one, you're going to need to have your red line and your black line down there at level 15. Okay, number two, you're going to need to see this red line pointing down. So this red line shows you your trend, and it should point down. At some point it was pointing down right there, I believe so. And then number three, obviously you want your candlesticks to cross to be below your all your three lines. And once you see that, you are certified for a sell opportunity. So please do not get confused. Do not expect the MACD to be at the top right here if you want to sell. It should be at the bottom right here. This is a divergence strategy. Okay, if you guys really need a part two to understand this strategy in depth, please comment part 2, or if you have any other questions, please make sure you ask them in the comment section below, and I'll be able to respond to each and every comment that you have. But before I stop this video, I just want us to check Crash 500 very quickly and see if we can get the same opportunities that we're getting from your Boom 500. So again, we're on Crash 500 and we're on in our 15-minute time frame. The rules are still the same. I'll just point out a sell opportunity that I can see. Would have caught so many spikes with this strategy, but let's see how it works. Number one, you need to have the red and black line at your 15 level. Number two, you want to see a sign from your red line here pointing down, showing that you're in a downtrend. So basically, you're identifying the trend. And number three, you obviously want to see break of market structure, having candlesticks crossing to be below those three lines, signifying that we are now officially in a sell trade. And anywhere from this point, you could have sold easily, right? You could have sold easily. Okay, same concept if you want to buy. Of course, you should be in a buy zone. That's your level 85. You should also see the red line pointing up, and you should also see candlesticks crossing and breaking all the three lines. And as you can see, the market went all the way to up to the top. So let me know, guys, what you think. Please try this strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading is very, very risky, and you do not want to risk your money when you do not have the right education, right? This is why we provide mentorship that is very affordable for everyone. If you want to learn price action and how to use indicators and how to mix the two to create what is called a confluence strategy, make sure you connect us and we will help you get there. Do not try and risk your money because trading is very, very risky. Try and understand these strategies first before moving on to a real account. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.